Jazzy Skye is an American YouTuber and content creator who is known for her contribution alongside her siblings to the Kids Fun TV's Fun Squad. She has built a large following on Instagram and YouTube over the last several years, and her numbers just keep going up. Jazzy Skye was born on 3 June 2009 in the United States to Brandon Skye and Sarah Skye. Her family includes her twin brother Jack Skye as well as her other siblings Kade Skye, Kalia Skye and Kalia Skye. Her oldest archived video, Mystery Doll Spies on Jazzy in Real Life, Is It the Crazy Doll from the Doll Maker?, was posted in November 2019. Her good looks and bright personality have made her a fan favorite and people can't seem to get enough. One of her most popular videos is a vlog about getting braces. The video has been viewed in excess of 7.5 million times. Although her social media content isn't solely focused on fitness, she still loves to share her love for working out with her followers. She wrote a song for Peyton called Best Friends Forever and posted a music video for it in December of 2020. The incredibly popular YouTube channel has grown in popularity mainly due to the performance of one of its performers. Jazzy Skye rose to popularity as part of the YouTube channel Kids Fun TV, also known as the Fun Squad. The channel launched in January 2018 and comprising her parents and siblings, primarily has fun and adventure videos like solving a mystery, girls vs. boys, games and playing ninja games. It also features music video, cover songs and official music videos. She enjoys the experience and maintains constructing robust and meaningful relationships with her followers.